Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A54 and today I would like to show you how you can use pop-up view on this device. You need to start by opening one of your apps that you wish to use in this view. In my case, Play Store. Now access background apps. If you are using Tricky's navigation, you can do that by tapping on this button with 3 lines. Finally, click on the icon of your app and select Open in Pop-up View from the list. As you can see, finally, I can use my app in this little window. In order to move it around, hold this blue line at the top and drag it. You can also make it smaller by tapping on Home button. Then move the bubble wherever you wish to. And access your app by clicking on it. You can also use it to overlay the other app by selecting the other one and operating in both. If you want to close your app, you can hold it and drag it to remove section, or simply swipe it in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!